Okay guys, today I'm really excited about this video. Because if you're on social media at all, you have heard about Hi Felicia making net plopping go viral. And Penny, she used to be Curly Penny Tover, started the whole net plopping thing a few years ago. I got myself some fishnets and we are going to be doing net plopping today. So let's jump right into this video. I decided to hover fuse my roots and my mid links for a few minutes because I knew it was going to take forever for my roots to dry, and I eventually just had to completely take out the net plopping to actually get my hair completely dry. So we're back. I'm about 90% dry, maybe 95% dry with my hair, and I have pretty good volume. The stocking material is not ideal for curly hair, at least for me. It made the edges, the crown, my ends very frizzy, and usually I get really good hold with the products that I used today, and today I really didn't get a ton of hold. And if you have really long, thick, low porosity, high density, coarse hair, net plopping really is not gonna do a lot for you. You're gonna have better results plopping after you put your stylers in and then just diffusing your hair. So this is my wash day results with the net plopping, and I did end up taking the stocking off of my hair and just diffused as I usually do because I was getting nowhere and my hair was getting frizzier by the minute because all the moving around inside that stocking wasn't working. And I know I didn't get the same exact stockings as like Hi Felicia has in her TikTok video, so I will probably be trying this again. I just have to get different stockings, so I know that will make a difference for sure. But let's look at the results. So as you can see, it's not too bad. I did spray this Maui Moisture coconut milk a weightless oil mist in my hair, and that does just sit on your hair. So if you don't like oils just sitting on your hair, I don't suggest getting that oil. I do for a finishing oil, especially if my hair is frizzy looking. That one does coat my hair and it really does help with frizz. My hair looked a lot frizzier than this before I put the oil on. So that oil does help just coat your hair, smooths it down. By the end of the day though, it will kind of go away. It will kind of be off of my hair. So I really don't have to worry about it making my hair look oily or greasy or anything. If you're sensitive to coconut oil or you don't like oils that make your hair look shiny or look a little bit greasy in any way, I don't suggest getting that. But if you really don't care and it smells amazing, then I highly suggest getting that oil. It is so good. But this video has been interesting to say the least. I will probably be trying this method again. I just have to get different stockings. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a good test for my long, thick, curly hair. So if you've been wanting to try this method and your hair is as long as mine, as thick as mine, low porosity, high density, don't get the same stockings I did. Maybe get different stockings. But other than that, I'm definitely going to be trying this again. I feel like it will probably work better with different stockings for sure. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will be seeing you in the next video.